In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to BlueStacks. This process is straightforward and will enable you to manage your contacts seamlessly within the BlueStacks environment. Whether you are using WhatsApp or any other app that requires access to your contacts, this method is essential. Let's dive right in. First, we will open BlueStacks. You can do this by locating the BlueStacks icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you click on it, the BlueStacks interface will launch on your screen. This is the first step in accessing your Android apps on your computer. It gives you a familiar Android experience and opens the door to managing your contacts effectively. Now, once BlueStacks is open, you will need to sign in to the Google Play Store. Make sure to use the same Google account that stores your contacts. This is crucial because it allows you to sync your contacts directly from Google to BlueStacks. You will see the sign-in option on the screen. After entering your email and password, you will gain access to your Play Store account. This linkage is important as it ensures that all your saved contacts are available in the BlueStacks environment. Next, let's open the Google Play Store. You can find the Play Store icon on the home screen of BlueStacks. Click on it and it will take you to the familiar interface where you can download apps. This is where you will search for the Contacts app. Having this app is essential for managing your contacts effectively within BlueStacks. Now you need to search for and install Contacts by Google LLC. Type Contacts into the search bar at the top of the Play Store. Once you find the Contacts app, click on the Install button. This app will allow you to access, manage, and sync your contacts seamlessly. After a few moments, the app will be installed and you'll be ready to move on. With the Contacts app installed, go ahead and open it. You will see a clean and user-friendly interface designed to help you manage your contacts easily. This is where you can view all your contacts and make any necessary changes. Having this app ensures that you have a dedicated space to manage your contacts effectively. Once the Contacts app is open, tap the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. This menu will give you various options related to your contacts. It is a crucial step because it leads you to the syncing options that you need to access next. From the menu, select Merge and Fix. This option helps you clean up duplicates and fix any issues with your contacts. It ensures that your contacts are organized and easy to navigate. A well-organized contact list saves you time and ensures you can find who you need quickly. Next, under your phone profile, tap on Restore Contacts. This action will lead you to options for restoring contacts from your Google account. It's an important step as it allows you to retrieve any lost or missing contacts. You will now need to select the device backup or account that contains your contacts. Choose the correct account from the list provided. This selection is vital because it ensures you are restoring from the right source. After that, tap Restore. This action will initiate the process of restoring your contacts from the selected backup. This might take a moment, but it's worth the wait as you will soon have all your contacts available in BlueStacks. Finally, wait for the contacts to finish restoring. Once completed, your contacts will now be available in the Contacts app and other supported apps such as WhatsApp. This final step ensures that all your important contact information is easily accessible and ready for use. Now, let's move on to adding a new contact manually. Open the Contacts app again. This step is very useful if you want to add specific contacts that are not already saved in your Google account. To add a new contact, tap the plus sign, which represents the Add Contact button. This button is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Pressing it will open a new screen for entering the contact details. Enter the contact's name, phone number, and optionally their email address. Make sure to fill in these fields accurately. This information is crucial as it allows you to reach out to your contacts easily. Finally, tap Save. This action will store the new contact in your list. The contact will now be available to apps that use your Android contacts. You can easily access it whenever you need it. And that's it. You've now learned how to add contacts to BlueStacks. This process will enhance your experience on the platform and make managing your contacts a breeze. Thank you for watching.